2010 Mini Countryman 1.6 diesel, and it's the Cooper. It's got a handful of extras on it. It's in a decent colour. It's like metallic blue with a white roof. And we've got 18-inch alloy wheels there, split rims, quite nice. Hopefully in straight down that side and the front. On the inside we have half leather seats in decent condition. We've got the media centre here as well. We've got stop start, air conditioning, a handful of buttons on it. No damage around the back. Parking sensors in the rear. Nice and straight down this side as well. Going round to the front, we've had a bump here. And it's damaged the bonnet on the corner. Just there. It's actually very thin and it bends back very easily. It still needs to be repaired. The headlight looks okay, but behind it's been cracked. And we've got another one as well, it's a genuine part. And it's just a little bit untidy down there. All nice and straight down that side. This one's got 72,000 miles on the clock. It's got a decent amount of BMW service history with it. These typically retail for around 7.5. I'm guessing this is going to be 5.5, maybe 5,750. And it'll be tidied up. I'll be painted, chrome trim on it, new headlight, and I'll be back on the road. And it will be pretty much exactly the same as it was before. You're going to save a couple of £1,000. And this is a category N, which is non-structural, as you can see. These are cosmetic kind of damages. They look a little bit messy, but easy, super easy to fix.